The violence and clashes in Manipur, prompted by the tensions between the Meitei community and the Kuki tribe, is now seeing women emerge as the true face of the disturbances in the state. The Nari Shakti in Manipur is seeing a unique portrayal where women are the ones taking the limelight. Women have emerged as key figures in the ongoing demonstrations, with multiple incidents showcasing their active role in various protests. The recent involvement of women protesters has disrupted the normal functioning of the state, impacting essential supplies, vehicular movement, and security operations. A mob of 1,500 people led by women in Manipur cornered the Indian Army in Imphal, which eventually led the officials to hand over 12 militants belonging to the group Kangli Yawol Kannalup, deeming the earlier operation to nab the men unsuccessful. Similarly, women in Kangpokpi and Yaigangpokpi blocked army personnel from reaching an area where armed miscreants were firing weapons. Furthermore, a CBI team was stopped from entering the Manipur Police Training College by women protesters during their investigation of an arms and ammunition theft case. These events are part of a larger trend where women's groups from both Kuki and Meitei communities have taken to the streets. The protests target the state government, opposing each other in the security forces' operations to combat armed individuals and recover stolen weapons. Coincidentally, in Delhi, two demonstrations against the violence perpetrated by Meitei and Kuki groups were also led by women, held at Jantar Mantar and outside the residence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. It is noteworthy that women play a prominent role in Manipuri society across various domains. For example, Imphal, the capital city, is home to Imakithal Mothers Market, the world's largest market entirely operated by women. Thousands of women engage in selling diverse products, making it a popular attraction for locals and tourists alike. Throughout Manipur's history, women have played a significant role in various movements of unrest, notably their participation during two Nupilan, that is Women's Wars, in 1904 and 1939 remained significant. These uprisings, led entirely by women, challenged oppressive systems imposed by British colonial authorities such as forced labour and rice exports. In recent times, women's groups called Meera Paibis, Women with Torches, have been instrumental in organising non-violent protests against issues like illicit liquor, drug abuse and Armed Forces Special Powers Act, which grants extensive powers to the army and security forces. One prominent protest in 2004 saw 12 Manipuri women disrobing in front of Assam Rifles headquarters to protest the alleged rape and murder of Manorama Thangjam, highlighting the grave concern for women's rights and safety. Presently, women's groups continue to mobilize and demonstrate their influence. According to a report, Kuki women groups have blocked parts of National Highway 2, while Meitei groups have obstructed entry points to South Manipur, particularly in Churchandpur, Tengnopal and Chandel. These road blockades have caused shortages of essential items as well as hoarding and artificial scarcity. Combing operations by security forces have also faced resistance from women protesters. Amid the ongoing demonstrations, experts acknowledge the historical significance of women leading political agitations in Manipur. They highlight women's pivotal role in standing up against injustice, as seen in past movements such as Nupi Lanes.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.